Good afternoon, class. Welcome to our Time to Talk class. Okay, so how are you this afternoon? I hope you have a great day. So before we will proceed to our lesson for this afternoon, let's do the review first so that you will remember our lesson last time. Okay, so last Thursday, we studied about the different kinds of expressions to describe and explain what something is using kind of or sort of and a bit like or like. And we have also verbs of sensation, taste, smell, and look. So this was our topic last Thursday. Our last activity, I let you do this one. I let you do page what page was it? In your book, page 19. So this one, it can be found in your book, page 19, okay? Some of you did it correctly and some of you also did it wrong, okay? So what I told you last time is use the following expressions that we discussed in the video and use it in here as a sentence according to its group. Like for example, Cambodian celebration, food, Cambodian food, places, drinks, and sports. So you will, for example, you will mention one celebration of Cambodia. So I made one example, which is the water festival, and I used the expression of like. And here also, we have Khmer's curry, and places is Angkor Wat, drinks is like passion fruit, and sports is football, since football is very famous here in Cambodia. So you will mention one sport or one celebration, food, places, and drinks, which is exist here in your country, which is Cambodia. Some of you just wrote name of place. It's not a sentence. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it properly. Okay, so for example, here, Buddhism is a kind of belief. So you have here a celebration about Buddhism, right? Since majority of your country has a religion of Buddhism. Okay, so for the food, you have Kamir's curry and chicken lok lok or beef lok lok. So I made a sentence. For example, this is Minking sentence. So Kamir's curry is like a Thai's curry. So Minking used the word like, okay? And here in Phnom Penh has a food like other country. So it doesn't mention which food is it, but it mentions your city, which is Phnom Penh, okay? Somebody has this sentence and this is correct. And this one, chicken lokwak is taste like chicken adobo in the Philippines. So I use the word taste like, okay? From the expression here, we can use a bit or like with verbs with sensation. So this is how you're going to do it. Okay, and for the places, I have here, Angkor is a kind of place that is effective with a tourist, okay? Next one is Pagoda looks like a peaceful place. Okay, class? So you have here a lot of examples. And for the drinks, orange juice is a kind of healthy juice. Passion fruit with milk is a kind of refreshing drinks. For the sports, Cambodian is a big fan of football game. Tennis is like badminton. Okay, so some of you wrote these sentences, and this is perfect example for the next activity. Okay, so the next activity, you will write the same, okay? You will write the same. You're going to use the different kinds of expressions. Okay, I'm going to show you a picture. All right, this one. Okay, let's practice one more time about those expressions. So direction, make a sentence each picture using the different expression from the language. Focus at page 19. Okay, again, page 19. All right, so letter A, what this is kind of celebration. Letter B, this is a food. I don't know what do you call this food, but this is one of Cambodian food. This, now letter C, place. Letter D, drinks, and letter E, this is a sport of Cambodian. I don't know also what kind of sport is it, but I know, I am sure that you know this kind of sports. Okay, class? So again, direction, make a sentence each picture using the different expressions from the language. Focus at page 18. Again, how to do it? You need to use these expressions, okay, to describe and explain what something is, okay? That something is in this picture. So I want you to make a sentence using this picture, okay? Next activity, if you are finished with, excuse me, if you are finished with that activity previous, okay, so let's have a new lesson about animal trouble. So direction, write the words from the box into the correct places in the diagram. Okay, again, write the words from the box into the correct places in the diagram. Okay, so this is your next activity. We have here chicken, domestic, farm, seal, and wild. This could be found in your book at page 20. All right, so let's answer this one so that you know how to answer the next activity for you. Okay, we have here, go back. Okay, we have here this kingdom is animal kingdom. Okay, so animals have two types of animals. We have wild animals and domestic animals. Okay, so wild animals and domestic animals. Wild animals, those are animals who live in the wild, in the forest, or without in the without I mean far away from the city. Okay, these animals lived far away from the city, or they live in the forest. That's why they called wild, because they will find their own food. Okay, and for the domestic, those animals lived with people. Okay, live with people, and they need to be feeded. Okay, so we have here for the wild animals, example, we have here giraffe, okay? For the domestic, we have pet, okay? So domestic, there are two types of domestic, also pet and blanc. So you need to find out here, okay? Okay, let's find out first. The wild, we have giraffe. So in the box, which animal do you think is wild? Chicken? Is it wild? All right, so we have here, for the wild, we have here seal, okay? Seal. So seal is a wild animal. So usually this animal lived in a cold places, okay? Seal. Okay, next one, we move on to the domestic. Domestic has, okay, pet and farm. Okay, what are those farm animals class? Farm animals which for example, sheep, okay? Farm animals which somebody is taking care of them. Those animals, okay? Those animals, somebody take good care of them. For example, sheep, and other one is chicken. That is a farm animal. And for the pet, okay, we have cat. We have cat, all right? So for the blank, for the rest of the boxes, how many boxes? This one, 1, 2, 3, and 4. You need to answer what other wild animals you will write here, okay? Here, put what animal, wild animal you can write here. And for the pet, you need to write 2 pets, okay? What pets do you like? Of course, you know the pet, right? Somebody knows a pet. This is very easy for you. And for the farm, you will give 1. Okay, class? That is your second activity for this day. And next one, read the words in the words cloud. Okay, this one are the words inside your, in your book also can be found in page 20. I will read the words. What you will do is you will encircle the words that you can find in page 21. Okay, please have your book with you while watching this video. I will read the words. Everybody, listen. So this is ladder, firefighters, roof, animal, fire engine, climbed up, garage, Claire Walters, firefighters, unharmed, rushed outside. Okay, that's all. All right. Okay, class. Okay. Now, that would be all for this afternoon. If you have questions, just ask questions in our group chat. That would be all. Thank you so much. Have a good day.